Good evening, friends. We'll see some WPS PQR. We finished two. We have another three. That is, we read first the specification is WPS for GMAW because GTAW already finished. XYZ company by Joe Blue. GMAW 1, PQR GMAW 1. Short arc GMAW. Semi-auto, single V group. Base metal E1 to P1. Group 1, E1 to Group 1. Means P1 Group 1 to P1 Group 1. Specification type grade SA36 to SA36. That is carbon steel. 316-inch to unlimited. Group. Let us see what is written. In PQR. Thickness of test coupon 2 inch. You have 2 inch, then you have to up to 8 inch. Why is putting too much? I don't know. 5.18 ER70 S2 6 filler metal weld metal analysis 1 size of filler metal 1 by 8 inch preheat 60 degrees interpass 650 amperes 130. Well, let us see for air. One H14 60 degrees preheat 76 6 is the filler metal F number. A number 1 is 183 32. Heat treatment known 75% CO2, 25% argon, 120, 200. And reverse polarity, short circuiting, string bead, grinding, brushing. Okay. Okay. Hazard company, GMAW1, GMAW short circuiting arc, semi-automatic. 516 grade 70 plate. Three G. Okay. Downhill web. You see this, no problem. Thickness 1 inch. It is 2 inch. If 2 inch, that need 4 because 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch. So 2 inch, or they should go for 1 inch 4, and there is problem here. And for 2-inch plate, you cannot do phase bend, root bend, something like this. Phase bend, side bend only. I don't know why it is written like this. That is wrong. Joe Blow Junior. Change added Junior. Jim's Test Lab. Jim's Test Lab. And there is XYZ company. Okay, let us see. Let us see the questions. The base material thickness range shown in WPS should be 3 by 16 to 8 inch or 2 inch. I can show you. Let us see now. So you have 30 inch to 38 inch to 6 inch, that is 316 to 8 inch, and then comes this also less than 19 and more greater than 19. Deposited weld metal will increase, and this is 4 4. So anything is 4, so side bend, but tensile is 2. But if you take 1 inch or 2 inch, then this it should be 4. Side bend should be 8, and here should be 4. That's all. Okay, let us see the questions. The deposited weld metal thickness range shown by WPS is beyond the range allowed by code. The filler metal shown in the WPS is acceptable as shown. That is okay. The mode transfer shown in WPS is acceptable. The gas shielding shown in WPS is unacceptable because the composition has changed. So that you can see again the WPS. We will see soon. So gas shielding in WPS. This says 75-25 and PQR only CO2. Filler metal F number 6. Filler metal F number 6. So no problem. Only here gas is problem. Gas shielding in WPS is unacceptable because the composition has changed. 3G position of the test coupon indicates that plate. Vertical is tested in horizontal overhead. None of the above. 3G is vertical. And the tension test results on PQR are unacceptable because the insufficient number of tests were taken from the thickness welded. And the bend test results shown in PQR are unacceptable because the incorrect type of specimen tested. PQR is acceptable, not acceptable because it is not been properly certified. Non-essential variables that has been addressed in PQR is not applicable. Non-essential variables do not have to be addressed in PQR. An essential variable not addressed. That is, you have to search 403.9, 404.24, 27. So that we have to see. GMA. Okay. GMAW, FCAW. So now 403.9. That is pass. That is not addressed fully. And then You have another thing. 400, 420, 427. So 24, 27 is change in supplement alloy element. Their essential variable. And if we see what is that 24, 27, 404. The addition, deletion, change of more than 10% of volume of supplemental filler metal. And then where the alloy content of the weld metal is largely depend on the composition of the supplemental filler metal, like including powder filler metal for uh, PAW. Any change of any part of welding procedure that would result in the importance alloying elements in the weld metal being outside specification range. Chemistry gives the welding procedure specification. Maybe not applicable, but these two should be mentioned in A. That's all. Not applicable and all. I should mention that's all. Okay, let us go then to, I think, saw welding, WPS and PQR. So XYZ company, Joe Blue, saw one, machine P1, group 1 to P1, group 1 to, it's a 285 grade C. Group 3 is 16 to 2 inch. Let's see whether it is 1 inch in PQR. See, group plate, then 1 inch, yes. Test coupon is 1 inch. That is okay. 1G, okay. So material specification is a 285 grade C, 1 to 1, P1, CFA 5.7, 7A EM 12, 6 filler metal number. We have to check whether what is there. No pass greater than half inch thick. Then small t qualified only 1 inch. Weld metal thickness 1 inch. AC reverse polarity. Technique 30 APM. String bed. Preheat 660. Interpass 650. Then they have for 1 inch. Okay, but is the filler metal F7A 70,000. Okay. Then toughness test. Bend test not there. Joe Blow XYZ Company, XYZ ND Lab. Okay, let us go for the questions. The deposited weld metal thickness range listed in WPS is correct. Okay. Joint design shown in WPS acceptable as shown. The essential variable that has not been addressed in WPS PQR is QW40436. In the WPS, let us see 4 and 436 when the flux from the recross slug is used. Each batch or blend is defined in SFA 5.01 shall be tested in accordance with section 2 part C by either the manufacturer or the user or qualified as the unclassified flux in accordance with QW 404.9. Minimum tensile strength, the change in either flux trade name. So that is what happened. That is the flux is changing. So to test. This is the formula for the increase in the base metal carbon. C plus Mn by 6, sorry, Mn by 6, manganese by 6, chromium, vanadium, molybdenum by 5, nickel, copper by 15. The carbon equivalent formula. Okay. We will go again for the questions. The pipe diameter range on WPS is acceptable. We'll see that, no problem. Post-weld heat treatment as shown in WPS PQR is none of the above. No hit OPWST mentioned. And tension that results shown in PQR are unacceptable because multiple specimen cannot be used in thickness of plate coupon. Because it is only 1 inch, they can take 1 inch, but I don't know how much they take. Let's see again. They decrease the thickness, that is the problem. Because it is 1 inch, so you have to maintain 1 inch. You cannot decrease. The bend test results shown in PQR are acceptable. Where is the bend test? The tension test results shown in PQR are sufficiently strong to meet the code. Sorry. This show only. No? Sufficiently strong to meet the code, that is okay, but that is not acceptable. The PQR must be signed code legal. Okay, bend test. Where is the bend test? Let's see. We are not seen bend test. There is a nut stiffness test. No, guided bend test. Sorry. Guided bend test. Accept. Okay. I read the bottom side, not there. Okay. The bend test is acceptable. This one is not acceptable here because of thickness. It should be 1 inch, 1 inch. 2 pieces. It cannot be 4. The EF hatch is well above. Okay. The essential variable that is addressed in WPS but not addressed in PQR is 400, 434. So flux type, that is already we discussed. That is not mentioned using cross slug or not. And if using, what happen? Because cross slug is if somebody is using, then essential variable. They have to mention essential variables. Okay, then we go for the last one. SMAW again. Okay, XYZ company, Joblo, EQR number, SMAW1, automatic, single V groove, carbon steel or weld metal, E1 group 1 to P1 group 1, 116 by 2 inch. 116 is incorrect, but I don't know about 2 inch. You can see if it is 1 inch. 70166 and chemical composition 4. Let us see. Position written all. DC 100 to 120, reverse 1220, preheat, post heat, none. Contact tube to work distance half inch. Mentioning any layer not mentioning. Okay. Single B groove 60-degree angle, no baking. No drawing available, nothing. When 7018 they changed pillar metal 4 and analytics 1 analysis changed 6G. Plate cannot be 6G. And then 200 degrees centigrade, 650 degrees. And preheat was not in WPS. Okay, let us see. 70,000, no. 70,000. It is much less. So this must fail. And bend test is 2 only. Not acceptable. And to face bend, root bend. And what is the thickness of the plate? 1 inch. Weld metal thickness. Joe Blow Junior again. Okay. XYZ company. Okay, let us go for the question answers. The base metal thickness range shown on the WPS is to be 3 by 16 to 2 inch. So that is what I already told. 116 is wrong. Deposited weld metal thickness range shown in WPS is incorrect. Should be 2 inch maximum. There I think unlimited showing something like that. And then or 2 inch showing something. The welding rod change from 7018 to PQR 7016 in WPS is acceptable because you have to go for saw and then see whether it is, and even F number is not changing, so acceptable. The preheat temperature shown in WPS, so if 200 then it is 100 minimum. The tension test specimen result from PQR are unacceptable. Ultimate stress doesn't meet Asme. Section 9 already discussed. The bend test results shown in PQR are unacceptable. Wrong type, insufficient number of specimen. PQR must be certified to be code legal. Essential variable 439 has been incorrectly addressed in WPS, not addressed in PQR. 439. That is the pass in how many passes is required. The position of the groove on PQR is unacceptable. Position shown doesn't correlate the plate. 6G, which is not for plate. PQR shows string bed, both string and wave beds. WPS shows acceptable, meets the code. That we can say string whip, non-essential. Okay, 403.9. is T pass not mentioned. Okay. I think that finish the WPS and PQR for the timing. And if in between something will come, we'll see that time. Thank you.